Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. Look at this fish here, just landed it. We'll get back in the water real quick. Happy pike opening weeks to everybody. This is really prime season, so this is a great chance to get into the biggest fish potentially of your season. To help you gear up for your pike fishing, we have some awesome pike kits that the staff have put together here. Some of our favorite pike patterns, as well as fly box and wire leader. Everything you need to go to start targeting these pike. If you've never pike fished before, this is really the time of year to do it. These fish have just finished spawning. They're still in very accessible, shallow water in general. So if you're a walk and wade angler, they're very accessible. You can fish the shoreline of Lake Ontario and find them. If you have a boat, it opens up even more opportunities. Of course, great time of year to be out there for them. Things that you want to be looking for, generally speaking, warmer water is better. So, if you can find water in the sort of 50-degree plus range, that will be ideal. Shallow, sandy flats are a great place to start looking for these fish. They'll be recovering on those, warming up. That sand tends to heat up fairly quickly and reflect back some heat to those fish. So they love that kind of area. Also makes it pretty cool with the light bottom. You can actually sight fish these fish a lot of the time. And then also you'll have fish that are just sort of off the first drop-offs, just out of the very shallow water where they're spawning, actively hunting as well, trying to put on the feed bag and recover as well. So those fish can be targeted with faster moving patterns, stripped more aggressively, can be very, very effective as well. So come down to your local fly shop, Drift Outfitters, this week, and let's get you set for success on the water. We'll see you soon.